How to fix Snapchat video sound not working. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Play Store and make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. At the top search bar, type in Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Now check if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, go onto your settings and scroll below to apps. Here search for Snapchat and go onto its storage and simply clear the cache. As you do so, scroll upside and tap on permissions. Here go onto microphone and make sure that you have allowed your device's settings to access the microphone. If not, just toggle on the button that says allow while using the app. As you do so, this shall fix your problem. If this solution does not work for you, then you have to reinstall your application after you uninstall it. Just long tap onto the app, uninstall this application, restart your device and install it again. This will definitely fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.